Hi, and welcome to 2944 West Page Street here in Springfield, Missouri. This is a two-bedroom, one-bath home. Here you can see the nice large front yard. It's got a nice sized porch here as well, where you can kind of see out from the front. Nice area to just sit out. Let's go ahead and go in and take a look. It has vinyl plank flooring here, has a ceiling fan, nice picture window there. Here is the first bedroom. Got a nice standard closet here. It does have air conditioning here. This is a storage room. Very convenient to have that extra storage right here. Now we'll go ahead and go into the kitchen. It has some newer updated cabinets. Comes with the stove and refrigerator. Here is the bathroom. Nice large kitchen here. And here is your second bedroom. It also has the vinyl plank flooring and has a standard closet here as well. Again, it's a nice large area here. And we'll go ahead and go on here, and this is the laundry room. Plenty of extra space here. Now we'll go ahead and go on out and let you take a look at the backyard. At one side it's got a privacy fence. The rest is, it does have some fencing. I would call it partially fenced. I'm not sure how well it would hold all pets. But there you have 2944 West Page. We look forward to seeing you.